Remember, you must remain seated and hold on tight at all times.
Hold on to any cameras.
And don't put your arms outside the vehicle.
You're now in an area where flamingo is exciting. I love these incredible birds.
They are easily identified by their quick plumage after spending time standing on one leg.
I can stand on one leg.
And there are no flamingo.
Yes, they're gonna go from their pot of fruits and fruit. Cool, that.
As you continue on your journey, remember that all of our expedition vehicles are fitted with the very latest in satellite tracking technology. So, we can keep track of you throughout your journey.
Ah, I got attacked by a tree. Tree-mageddon. Chessington World of Trees.
Keep your eyes peeled here. These strange rock carvings are very old and we're not sure exactly what they mean.
We think they might be a warning for local tribesmen to stay away from an ancient hill. Not sure why. Might show you should be close to seeing some giraffes.
Giraffes! Wow!
Or, to use their scientific name, camelopardalis.
They got no name because they look like a cross between a camel and a leopard.
Put the two together and you get camelopardalis.
Now, look closely everyone and make note of how many animals you can see so that we can document the number of this herd.
In the wild, the giraffe population has dropped by 40% in the past 30 years due to poaching and habitat loss.
The Chessington Conservation Fund supports giraffe conservation by funding scientific research, field surveys and improving security of the reserves.
We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet.
They can live up to 25 years in the wild and can grow as tall as 6 meters. That's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house.
Yes, and their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour.
Wow! That's as fast as a truck.
Yeah, and they're all called Jolly Tall. Except for that one. He's called Keith. Oh, that one's taking a poo. It's like Maltesers coming out of his butthole. Oh, I feel it must be feeding time as well because they're all going inside. Ah, you trod in the poo.
Is now home to a family of scimitar-horned oryx.
They're beautiful.
Yes, but sadly now they're extinct in the wild. But those that live here are part of an international breeding.
Oh, nice. That was cool. I like that. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice bird. bonus animal on Zufari. I'm going to say it's a blue tit because I like the word tit. Alright, and a pigeon. Pigeon.
Hopefully you'll soon be seeing some more magnificent beasts.
What's that?
Rhino!
The rhino around the reserve are white rhino. Now you may want to hold on to your noses for a bit here, researchers. Wherever you get rhino, you also get a lot of rhino dung.
Rhino dung. What? Who?
Yes, male rhinos like to be on their own, so they mark out their territory with piles of their dung to warn off other males.
Their impressive horns are made from a chemical which is actually the same substance as your hair and fingernails and is highly prized in many cultures. Sadly, poaching for their horns continues to be a threat to rhinos all over the world.
The white rhino, though, like those here, are the most plentiful species.
I think rhinos are super cool.
Good for you. Bye, Frederick. I don't know if that's your name, but I called you. Sorry. Bye, Francis. Oh yeah, he's chasing us.
Researchers, our satellites are showing that something's obstructing the route.
It looks like an abandoned vehicle, and there's no sign of a research team it belongs to.
Must be that one that was on fire on the M25.
But don't go too far off the track.
What about
Don't need to worry, but beware of them.
We've got some waterfall. We've got a shutter that's... Oh, it is working. The shutter's working. This is about as dark as Valhalla was. It's a cave rave. Well, that made no sense.
It's a very poor attempt at hard map and hard run, isn't it?
Yeah, made no sense. But hey ho,
What happened?
we've technically ridden into Africa now.
welcome back, everyone?
Now please remain fully seated until you're back at base, where a member of our expedition team will tell you when it's safe to leave the vehicle.
Thanks for joining
All
us.
you should do is hit subscribe.
Adventure that was.
I said they should hit subscribe.
Here at Zufari.
Goodbye, everyone. I'm
Yeah.
Mary.
Bye, internet.